Hi there. Do you ever yawn? And I'm not talking about just this normal yawn. I'm talking about a deep yawn. Those where you, at the top of it, you go, and you feel so relaxed after. Oh, I love those yawns. And it happens to me regularly, quite often nowadays, and I love it. Sometimes it happens at the most inopportune times. If I'm talking to someone where it's maybe an emotionally heavy conversation, I'm like yawning. Sorry. But it feels so good. I just wanted to share because for me, I tend to yawn, sometimes intentionally when I'm setting the intention to do a releasing meditation. I'll sit and meditate and I'll ask my angels and guides to help me release. And without fail, immediately I start yawning. And what I do in that meditation is just focus on the energy that you want to release. Oftentimes for me it's fear or maybe anger or whatever it is. And I'll just focus on that energy, not necessarily the story behind it, but the energy itself. And I do that, I used to do it for 20 minutes, but now I do it a shorter amount of time, 5 to 10 minutes, whatever feels right for you. But I just sit there and I yawn, and I yawn, and I yawn, and it feels so calming. So that's one way I do it intentionally, and oftentimes it happens just instinctively. My body is my body's response to heavy emotions. I could be driving and maybe thinking about something a little heavy or negative, and I'll just start yawning. Like, oh, like, okay, maybe I shouldn't think about that. Or if someone cuts me off, I might yawn. It depends on the situation. But another way is through journaling. If you're journaling about something heavy, I'll do that and I start yawning. Or just thinking about something heavy. And so maybe give that a try. It really helps me calm my nervous system. It doesn't last very long, but I feel like for me, and this isn't scientific or anything, this is just me, but it feels like to me that it's releasing stuck emotions from my body. I just feel like energy is coming up and out of me, and it feels so good. And so I feel like I have a lot of stuck energy, and so I think for me, when I yawn, it feels good for a few minutes, and then it goes away because I have so much to release. But I'm working on it. But so give that a try, however you can get yourself to yawn. Oh, I do tapping too, yes. That's a really good one. I hate tapping. Anyone who knows me well knows I have a love-hate relationship with tapping. But it's effective, and when I can get myself to do it, I do yawn and I do release, and it feels amazing. So that's what I have for you today. Until next time, many blessings.